Hey, yo, what up? It's your boy X, MachineMasters.com. Just got my hands on this Ghetto Gospel kit. Shout out to the homie Billy Blast, aka Vintage. He's always holding us down with the samples. Sample Pack Saturday, 102 weeks in a row. That's crazy. Rose and cigars, cognac and cigars kit, all that stuff recently. This new joint, the Ghetto Gospel, it's available in Maschine and MPC format, so definitely check this out. It's coming out tomorrow. It'll be on MachineMasters.com exclusively. So in any case, I'm going to just go through this real quick. Maybe throw together a beat or something if I'm feeling like that. But anyway, you can see you got, you can load up all these at one time by clicking the load all. Or you can just individually load up the drums, samples 1, samples 2, or the Vox. So I'm going to just load all these up and just start going through them and see what we got. I'm sure it's going to be dope because Vintage is always putting together dope stuff. So let's start out with samples 1. I'm going to just go through some of this stuff. You could use these as is or chop them up. So you can see those two came from the same sample. So you can piece them up.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. That's crazy. All right, I'm feeling those. Check out the next pack. Take him to church, yo. Alright. That's crazy. Let's check out these box. That's what I'm anxious for.
Did my Lord deliver? Did my Lord deliver? Then why not deliver for me?
As you can see, there's a reason why this is called the Ghetto Gospel.
If I were you, I would say yeah.
Let's check out some of these drums. I like that joint. That's punchy. What's that one? Yeah, some punchy kicks, yo. Let's see what else we got. Like that. All right. Some cymbals. It's like a little bit of everything in here. Vintage is good at that, man. Giving you like one joint, one kit that you could just kind of go in with. I'm always hopping around from folder to folder trying to find sounds that fit with one another. I'm sure we all do that, but it's kind of nice just being able to vibe out inside of one folder. Some live kicks. Let me see if I can try to throw something together real quick for y'all. on now. Let's do a little quick 2-bar loop and keep it moving. Let's get some drums now. Need some hi-hats. There we go. Just keep it moving. Check out some of these box. I'd probably cut that in half and bring the 2 parts closer together. But in the interest of saving time, I might just filter this a little bit though. I mean, so there you have it, man. Like, you know, a couple of minutes, throw together a joint. I mean, obviously, I'd spend a lot more time, like, you know, changing it up, doing some different parts and whatnot. But I mean, yo, that was like, this shit kind of inspired me, yo. Anyway, I'm gonna mess with this. So y'all check this kit out and pick it up tomorrow. It'll be out on MachineMasters.com. Again, shout out to the homie Billy Blast, aka Vintage. MachineMasters.com. I'm out.